Hello friends. So today we are going to speak about that most important part of your body which helps you to speak, to express yourself, and yes, it helps you to taste your yummy food. Yes, you guessed it right. That's our humble tongue. Tongue? Oh, have you seen that white coat on your tongue recently? And that white coat on your tongue can easily convert into candidiasis, leukoplakia, hairy tongue. Don't know exactly what I'm speaking about? So come, let me today explain you what is this oral hygiene part or routine that you should definitely follow, and why should you keep your this humble and gentle tongue very much clean. Come, let us have a look at this today's video.
Subscribe to the channel Dr. Mansi Shah for dental health related and tips video.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you, and here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Friends, today we are going to speak about tongue, its cleaning, and why is it important. So first things first, let me tell you why is this coating formed on your tongue. So, as we all know, our tongue is made up of papillae. It has lots of small bumps, or you can call it or feel it as roughness on your tongue. This brush-like structures which are present on your tongue, even at a very smaller microscopic level, has the capacity to attract a lot of food and bacteria. Once this food and bacteria gets lodged there and it just settles in down there, the bacteria start to grow, and that is when the white coat on your pink healthy tongue is seen. Definitely you don't want that to happen. Also, these bacteria do cause a lot of bad smell, halitosis, and dryness in your mouth. You definitely don't want these symptoms to come up. And so, keeping it clean, keeping it healthy with the help of these tongue scrapers is a very important practice along with your brushing and flossing. Now let us know what are the types of the tongue scrapers. Tongue scraper is a U-shaped thing which is available. Then there can be steel or plastic ones. These steel ones are sometimes provided with the handles or without a support holder. And the plastic ones, yes, they are again same U-shaped. There is a next type which looks somewhat like razors. They are smaller in size and it prevents gagging or cleaning up much posterior portions of your tongue. And then the next type is this brush tongue scraper, which has bristles which are not similar to your brush bristles, which are very much different, and they help in gently cleaning down your tongue. And the last option which we mostly follow is toothbrush bristles cleaning, or the back side of the toothbrush which has definitive tongue scrapers that is used for cleaning the tongue. So friends, these are various types of tongue scrapers which are available. My favorite or my recommended one is a steel one with or without a holder, because this U-shaped thing goes posterior most and easily and very nicely scrapes out your tongue. Now, how many times or when should you practice this? So when it is every day post your brushing and flossing, you should clean your tongue at least once, like either in the morning or at night. Preferably at night, because the whole oral hygiene is elevated up. You brush, you floss, and you clean your tongue, and I'm sure after doing this you're not going to get any cavities. So yes, so at night is a good practice. How many times should you repeat the frequency? So it can be 2 to 3 times, or till you yourself feel that the coating is completely gone and now there are no white coat left. Just make sure that you're very gentle while giving this strokes on your tongue. You're not hurting yourself or not pressurizing. So how you should do it? Root your tongue out. Keep the scraper at the posterior most part and scrape it down. There is a lot of dirty white coat which will fall off. Now, post this, rinsing your mouth is going to be a good practice. Then after that, now if you ask me the sequence, so it should be brushing, flossing, cleaning your tongue, and then at last rinsing. It is either with the mouthwash or without the mouthwash. And here you complete your oral hygiene proper set. And if you ask me, this will only take 30 to 40 seconds to do. So yes, you should definitely practice it. There are few things which you should definitely remember. So the first thing is that when you scrape it off, remember to clean your tongue as well as the tongue scraper before you start your next round. Because again, you don't want it to go inside, definitely. And because the first scrape is gonna collect a lot of amount of coat from your tongue. Make sure the edges of your tongue scraper are very smooth. It does not have any bumps or broken edges, because that might just hurt your tongue and the tongue might bleed. The next thing is that store this tongue scraper at a dry place, because if you're using a steel one or even the razor kind of thing, then that might just rust up at times, and then that would be much more dangerous. Then if you're using the brush one, make sure you wash off the bristles very properly and again store it in the dry place, because you don't want the bacteria to grow on the brush itself. And then the next is I would avoid using the brush bristles on the tongue, because that is what it is not meant to be, and that might cause hurting the papillas, and the papillas, then the taste of your tongue might change at times, or you might just end up hurting your tongue. Then if this white coat is not going off, it is just still there stubbornly staying, then friends, look out if you have got some infection, especially candidiasis. Yes, candidiasis is a white coat which does not go off on scraping also. And if it just scrapes off, it will leave behind bleeding points. So if that is the condition, then friends, do not keep on scraping it. Visit your dentist. They will be the right person to guide you on how can you deal with that white patch on your tongue. So friends, I am Dr. Mansi Shah, practicing in the city of Pune. And this is our email address. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions related to your oral hygiene, your oral health. Please mention it in the comment section below, and I'll surely be very much happy to get to you and get your answers. If you're wanting to have any treatment, then definitely reach out to us through mails. And I am practicing in the city of Pune, so you can easily walk into our clinic and we will be glad to help you out. Friends, if you're liking my video, make sure you give a big thumbs up, share it among your friends, and help elevate everyone's oral hygiene for the people who are around you, and for the people whom you care for. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, Dr. Mansi Shah. Friends, wishing you all a very happy, healthy and a bright smile. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay over fit. Thank you.